talk about food plots. A lot of people are putting in food plots now to feed and attract wildlife. Building a food plot can represent a significant investment of time, money, and effort. Fortunately, one of the most important steps in building a food plot and in protecting that investment is also one of the easiest and least expensive. Talking about testing your soil. It's very important that you test your soil before you build a food plot. And the tools are also relatively simple and inexpensive. All you need is a pail and a trowel. Now I recommend you use a plastic pail because using a metal pail could taint your sample, putting in minerals that would skew the results. The same with the trowel. If you don't have a plastic one, use a metal one, but if you can get a plastic one, you'd be much better off. Now, obviously, first you have to get a soil test kit, which you can get from your local county extension service, soil conservation service, or a nearby university. It costs about $15. It includes postage. Once you have your kit, then you're going to want to take a representative sample. Rather than taking all the soil from one spot, you want to move around the plot and take several samples from different locations. How many depends on the size of the plot and the conditions in the plot. About 6 per acre is a good average. If soil conditions, vegetation, slope, and aspect differ considerably, you may want to take a few more, but 6 will get you by. Now we've got our results and we're ready to send them off for analysis. What comes back is a prescription on how to treat the soil for the specific crop that you intend to plant. What you're going to get with your soil test kit is a form that you should fill out. And it's going to ask for specific information like the size of the plot and specifically what you intend to plant. That will determine the prescription for your plot. One more piece of advice. If you plan on planting annual plants, I recommend doing an annual soil test, because conditions can change just throughout a single year. That's it for this time, but please check back soon.